At all the Backpacker Panda hostels, comfort and cleanliness takes the top priority so that we can ensure that the guests always feel at home. In order to get a peaceful rest, the right setup of the dormitories is essential. Make sure you follow following guidelines to uphold the same. Remove the used blanket covers, pillow covers and bed sheets and deposit them outside the room. Hand them over for washing. Pull out the trolley under the lower bunk and clean it thoroughly from inside using a dry cloth. Make sure you sweep under the trolley as well by pulling it all the way out. Replace the clean covers on the blankets and the pillowcases. Place the covered blankets and the pillows in the trolley and slide it back in. Tuck the bed cover in carefully on one side and pull it all the way to the other side. Be careful not to leave any creases, folds or crumpled corners. For the upper bunk, follow the same procedure. Climb on top of the bed as and when required. Thank you for watching the video.